Welcome to machinery, new and smart, giant excavators, super cranes to the super powerful construction vehicles. If you are a fan of technology and power, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any videos. At the important moment of approaching the destination, preparing for a business trip, taking an unnecessary risk, and everything going to zero. Why, after a few hours of trying to rescue the truck, everything was worse than before the truck overturned. Maybe this rescue method is technically incorrect. If anyone has a way, please leave a comment below. This disc-shaped beast looks very powerful and proud. In a shallow, muddy pit, he looks like he needs help. Red dirt road. Why one rain? Everything went wrong. As before, the driver did not anticipate the incident. Everything went back to the way it was and had to spend a lot of money on labor. The rescue team successfully rescued a truck that had been sunk to the ground. The rescue technique was very skillful, and the car was brought up in a form that did not seem to be stable and had to spend a large amount of money to rebuild it. In the carpentry profession, cutting a tree is an easy move, but cutting a fallen tree down with beautiful techniques is another move. Please click the subscribe button to help the channel grow and bring good videos for you to watch. Go slow, my friend. The slope is so steep, but safety and protecting your property are the most
Terbalik ini.
The Cat 84-3X, a super fast tree cutter with modern technology, helps you cut trees in just 1 hour, which previously took a whole week. Saving materials. The wood is cut neatly, minimizing waste, bringing outstanding economic efficiency, but also increasing income. In particular, saving materials helps you reduce production costs while bringing higher profits from selling wood. On a steep slope, he did not slow down and reasoned the situation himself, and he had to learn a lesson in impatience. In important moments, there is always a good friend ready to help in a beautiful moment. Cat 3200 machine, modern tree cutting equipment, helps you overcome all difficulties at work. With powerful capacity and advanced technology, Cat 3200 not only cuts trees quickly, but also accurately and efficiently. Choose Cat 3200, the optimal solution for fast tree cutting work. With the combination of these two tractors, the rescue work becomes easier than ever, helping a red tractor up the muddy ground in just 1 minute. cut down a tree in the forest only need one person. Still, this as a teammate seems very easy. When the area is over, fire is $1 million house. The whole team planned and successfully cut down a big tree. Safely, a great party moment. The scene is real, or it seems like a monster is knocking down 1,000 trees in just a few minutes.
Out here
To cut down a giant tree, he did it very detailed, not to move the waterfall wrong. Each cut is a meticulous calculation to create a beautiful tree cutting film for you to see what you save. Give him and me one like and subscribe so the channel brings good videos. A dense forest full of weeds disappeared cleanly in a flash, and here the Cat 2590 has changed it. The powerful engine optimizes the neat labor, turning heavy work like a workout. The Cat 2590 is a good choice for the agricultural industry.
same spot we were at before. It's nice and clear. Everything knocked down, back dragged with the mulcher.
This is an old machine that still retains its powerful functions, born to take on the responsibility of experiencing heavy work that humans cannot reach. High power engine, every giant log for this machine is like carrying a sandal suitable for the forestry industry. Cleaning up trees on the side of the road is very dangerous when colliding with electricity. Cat Hyundai 22 will take care of this dangerous job. A tree trunk seems to be swallowed in seconds. Cleaning up the tree stump creates natural fertilizer. Everything is so exciting when there is Cat Hyundai 22. Clean and neat. Cleaning up trees on the side of the road is very dangerous when colliding with electricity. Cat Hyundai 22 will take care of this dangerous job. A tree trunk seems to be swallowed in seconds. Cleaning up the tree stump creates natural fertilizer. Everything is so exciting when there is Cat Hyundai 22. Clean and neat. The extremely skillful performance of felling a decades-old ironwood tree with high precision in each cut is a skill that brings perfect felling performance. Smart robot arm, a famous machine used in forestry. All human work can be replaced by this cat. I plan to buy one, but my finances don't allow it. What about you? Please leave your comments below. All the heavy work people do can be replaced by machines. Everything seems to be done. All the work is lost, or agricultural products are 100 tons in just a few hours. Help double the capacity for people-reduced labor. A new generation, prepare a new spring. Still, if it is good meaning fear, support the channel, one button register, and like, so the channel always brings great things to you.